Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted a lip color that truly pops? Something that catches the light and your attention from the moment you apply it? Well, today we're talking about a product that promises just that. The Revlon Ultra HD Gel Lip Color in HD Lava. This is a bold, vibrant lip color that comes in a gel formula designed to deliver intense color with a weightless feel. Sounds exciting, right? Let's start with the basics. The Revlon Ultra HD Gel Lip Color is marketed as a high-definition gel lipstick, designed to offer vivid, long-lasting color without the heaviness that some traditional lipsticks can leave behind. The product is formulated with vibrant pigments suspended in a clear gel base, making it an intriguing option for anyone who's looking for bold, beautiful lips with a smooth, glossy finish. Upon application, the texture feels incredibly light, almost like you're wearing nothing at all. Yet, the color intensity is undeniable. The HD Lava shade specifically is a deep, fiery red that gives your lips a sultry, standout look. It's perfect for someone who wants to turn heads without feeling like they're wearing layers of product. I found it easy to glide on, with no tugging or patchiness, which is always a plus. In terms of performance, the lipstick held up surprisingly well throughout the day. While I did notice some wear after a few hours, especially with eating or drinking, the color didn't fade unevenly. The clear gel base contributes to its smooth application and comfortable wear, so you won't have to constantly worry about reapplying. The scent is also subtle, which is always a win in my book. Pros? Let's talk about the vibrant color payoff. It's bold, it's rich, and it definitely makes a statement. The lightweight formula also makes it comfortable to wear, which isn't always the case with highly pigmented lipsticks. Plus, the sleek, modern packaging is easy to carry around for touch-ups, though it's sturdy enough that you don't feel like it's going to break easily. On the flip side, the main downside I found with this lip color is that the formula can be a little prone to transferring. If you're going for a kiss-proof, no-mess lip, you might want to be cautious, as it doesn't claim to be fully smudge-proof or long-wearing like some matte formulas. For anyone who prefers a more satin or matte finish, this might not be the right choice, as the gel texture keeps things on the glossy side. Now, is it worth the price? That really depends on what you're looking for. At its price point, the Revlon Ultra HD Gel Lip Color delivers good quality, vibrant color, and comfortable wear, but it isn't groundbreaking. If you're a fan of glossy, comfortable lip products, and you love bold shades, I think this would be a great addition to your collection. However, if you prefer longer-lasting matte formulas or need a lipstick that can handle all-day wear without budging, you might want to consider other options. For those looking for something comparable but more affordable, there are plenty of drugstore options out there that offer similar vibrant finishes, such as Maybelline's Superstay Ink Crayon or L'Oreal's Color Rich. These products offer long-lasting color and a range of shades, which might be worth checking out if you're on a budget. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and stylish, but feels a bit light and plastic, which isn't necessarily a con, but it may not give the same premium feel that other brands with heavier packaging might offer. Still, it holds up well in your bag and doesn't feel cheap by any means. If you've had any experience with Revlon's customer service, you know that they have a solid reputation for handling inquiries and complaints, which is always reassuring. I've personally had good interactions with them in the past, so there's confidence in the support if needed. In terms of product alternatives, if you're looking for something that offers similar color vibrancy with a bit more longevity, I'd suggest checking out lipsticks like the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks or the Too Faced Melted Matte formulas. Both offer intense pigment and a more matte finish, though they're a bit pricier. To wrap things up, the Revlon Ultra HD Gel Lip Color in HD Lava offers great color payoff, a comfortable wear, and a lightweight texture. It's perfect for anyone who loves bold, glossy lips, but it may not be the best option for those looking for something long-lasting or matte. For the right person, though, it could become a go-to staple. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the comments or description box below. And if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.